Okay, so while I was down on vacation, I went out to 74MX. This is a Wednesday practice. And as you can see in a second, this guy, I wanted to give him a little bit of room, so I let him take off. Me and him were the only ones on the tracks. I try to, be nice, give him his room. But I posted this video on clips of it, so, the clips maybe gave the wrong view as well, but gave this dude plenty of room out on the track to kind of get out. And as you'll see here in a second, I wanted to get your guys' opinion on, if I was wrong, if, people are saying, like I said, I just couldn't get around the dude, and this is totally my fault, or if he was being a true jackass. But we'll catch back up once we get up to the part. So here we're coming in this corner, I'm just trying to tuck into the inside and get around him, and he comes over. And so I was thinking, okay, maybe the dude got a little cross-roaded or coming out and just slid, but then coming around this corner, I'm like, okay, I'll stay away from him inside. And this dude comes way over, and yet again, wasn't gonna jump it because it looked, to my point of this, if I would have jumped, we would have landed in the same spot. And you kind of see him like looking off to the side of the track, like other people, like maybe they have a explanation of what's going on with this, guys being an ass. So once again, give him a little bit of room, and restart, and here we go again. At this point, I've caught up to him again, just kind of getting a little frustrated, and I just come in and kind of just make sure to get around him. Wasn't trying to be overly aggressive. A lot of people were saying, oh, you should have taken him out because it was tough, but I feel like, yet again, Wednesday, just out here practicing, everyone out here, it's Florida, it seemed like a little bit on the older, retired guys. I'm not here to take people out and stuff, but I still just wanted to make it, clear that he was kind of being an ass with that move a little bit, but at the same time, not injure anybody. It's not why I'm out here and trying to ride and have fun. So everyone, give me your opinion on it. Like I said, with the two times, should I have just kept on it and got around him, or what should I have done, or what's your opinions?